Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching me from. You know what? I'm kind of surprised why people are so surprised about Harrison case. Now today, I don't tell them about Harrison. Remember when a lot of people came after me because I was exposing Harrison, how Harrison was busy collecting people's properties and money. A lot of people came after me then, fighting me. I brought out a lot of evidence somebody sent to me. But none of you believed me. Una chikatono because Ogechi, uno choro ihe Ogechi gepune destroy. You know, I've been lamenting about Harrison dubious and malicious way of duping people. Just that I don't have time anymore. Omo karibu case here in Nishina. That Verydarkman start discovering this thing is very late. See what I'm saying? Even when Verydarkman started, a lot of people was attacking Verydarkman. Not your Igbo, not your Igbo person, blah 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 blah. I started this fight since 2021. That's when I started exposing Harrison. But none of you believed me because Ogechi Okeke because soon you hate no Ogechi no. Go and attack Verydarkman now. Go and discredit Verydarkman. See how far you will go. I stand with Verydarkman, Manomu Manando, and with Verydarkman. You want to go? I am #1 retail. I'm Verydarkman from day one. Now I'm issue with Verydarkman at that time. On a fight a man of God that I love so much, but now he can fight anybody because that man stand on the truth. I have to be honest with you. Forget about sentiments. You like golden mother on ammonia he exposed just no. He saw something very dark man. Because this regard, yeah, that one time or twice, it doesn't mean anything. From day one, I am your #1 supporter. Your #1 supporter to eternity. When I started exposing this so-called Harrison, you know, be today, long time ago, when he first of all with a kidney issue, people raise millions. When you talk about millions, not only that, there was this. Even another time, he would just go and arrest all these Yahoo boys. And he will bargain with them outside and collect all their properties. The guy is a malicious, a very dangerous, a very dubious, a very evil. He's a very evil manipulator. I said it from day one. People disregard because Ogechi was the one saying it. I was bringing evidence. There is this woman activist that from their town. I exposed this guy. I brought out a lot of people. A lot of people started fighting, especially women, Omar Shawo, that he has been sleeping with. Especially those are showers that he sleep with. You know, just the thing. Harrison, thank your God that I've been busy this time around. I've been very, very busy. I mean, what time? You want to go? As now, I'm going to deliver market in Desroma here. I don't have your time. But that doesn't mean all of you that was coming out defending him, how far how markets. Verydarkman is very dark man. Because make sure that you don't leave Harrison. Harrison is a thief. With my full chest, Harrison is a bandit. Harrison is a thief. I've been saying this. I've been lamenting on this. That's why he hates me with passion. That's why when they arrested me, they called him. He said, I said, come. Let me expose you because I actually got them documents. Very unyoshi. How far market those that we attacking me then? How far market? Make gonna go attack Verydarkman now. 2021, 22, 23. When put this guy in Ishiguano, this guy is a criminal. With fact, with evidence. All of you came after me. Go and fight Verydarkman now. Rattles, and I'm with you for life. Nothing will change that. When you see a man with integrity, Verydarkman is #1. Number one, clean. Verydarkman is number one, clean to a fault. That was why I was telling you guys then. Actually, bring Igbo business down. Leave those rubbish sentiments. Rubbish sentiments. The guy go hard. He always go hard on the truth. Abraham, whenever you want to deal with cases, remove sentiments. Unabeji, Igbo this thing. Achokori bring business in the Igbo. Achokori make. All of them are rubbish. Okay, where are they now? Where is he? Very hopeless man that has no integrity, that has nothing. Somebody wear belly face. Somebody that cannot tell you tomorrow he will still change. Verydarkman is even Verydarkman he will be now. That's a addism piece now. I will be a backup singer for him. Verydarkman, may God bless you. I still remain your loyal supporter. No tampa, no fanyanya. You are a real deal. You see this Harrison case, please do not give up on it. They nearly came me when I started this journey. They nearly sent me to my early grave. If I'm not, number one, you with a lot of advantage, you're a man. So the society valued men than women. So you have a lot of advantage above us. So my brother, do not let it, that thing he came out to do is a crocodile tears. Oh, don't believe him. Oh, he's a crocodile tears. This is not his first time of apologizing about him scamming and eating people's money. He has done it before. When I started exposing him, he did it. Oh, he did it. And a lot of all these prostitutes, they rallied around him. He did it to Igbo. I came out and screamed, oh, I screamed, oh. Nobody listened to me. He's a bandit. Harrison should be in jail. Relax, that is where he's meant to be. Harrison has been to Nga and spent 2 years in prison. For what? Taking people's things without any government authorize. Verydarkman, I have the secret of this guy. He has been to Nga 2 good years. He's what you call ex-convict. He's a very... He was convicted. This guy is a very criminal in mind. Don't listen to that. He's a crocodile tears of apology. It's a fake apology. It's a complete fake apology. I know him very well. This man, he came out and duped people over 7 million and claimed that he had a kidney problem. I started revealing this thing. Nobody wants to listen to me. Nobody want to listen to me. Nobody. I am Verydarkman. Well, actually, anytime is not too late. No time, sorry, no time is too late. No time is too late. My brother, may you live long. God will protect. Nothing will happen to you. Verydarkman, nothing will ever happen to you in this life. You will always win your enemies. Please, don't listen to anybody that will come to mercy for Harrison. Harrison will, after this one, another one I'm planning. Harrison is a born criminal. A born criminal. I wish people had my voice when I started screaming about this guy. 2020, 2021, 2022. Nobody had me then. I wish those videos I did, after we'll go and check whether some of those videos I did, whether they are still active, whether Facebook has been removing videos. Because what I normally do is a live program. Harrison is a bandit. Oh. Harrison is a criminal. Oh. Those tears are crocodile tears. Oh. Don't listen to them. Oh. It's a crocodile tears. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Mercedes,
say that again.
Mercedes, I'm not talking to you, please. Harrison is a criminal. I know what I'm saying. Leave all these people that will say, Verydarkman is our problem. Verydarkman is without Verydarkman, many people will be dying and languishing under harassing intimidation. Because number one, the guy will threaten you. He will use narcotics to threaten you. He will use every means to threaten you so you will not talk about the money again. He will manipulate you. He will lie against you. See, I still have not changed my stand from day one till now. So all these things I say, I'm surprised, oh, you guys are the evil ones. Because you guys saw when I was exposing this guy, you guys carried around to Harrison. Now how far market? How far market? Don't worry, I will come out and run a very sophisticated program for him. I will go back to those videos I did then, so I can remember all the details. Don't worry, I will go and search him. Bringing who down? Come on, get the fuck out of here. Come on, Shinga for it. Bringing who down? Come on, Shinga for. I want to block. Comment again. Let me block you. Bringing who down? And let go bring you down. Who bring who down? Hold on, nigga mad. Let me block you. I don't know why I'm deleting only. Comment again. I don't know why it's only delete that I'm doing. Bringing it nigga or I'm not down. Eh? Bringing who down? Ndoshi. All of you that know how to bring down Ebeko no. Where on a day? Harrison is a born bandit. That is who he is. Harrison is a criminal. A born criminal. Verydarkman, don't leave him, oh. Please, hold him tight. Do not leave him, oh. Hold him tight. He's a criminal. He is a born criminal. And this case that he said he don't want to talk about, please, the Verydarkman will be talking about it. Please. Be talking about it, oh. Oh, Onyoshi. Big criminal call. All of them that run into him, how far markets? You guys were pushing Ogechi's case. How far markets? Okay, let me block. Hold on. No talk. Thank God. Block and don't come out. Aya? Otila? Aya? Another person, the other idiot, comment again. Good. Aya? Otila? Bye-bye. Verydarkman. Don't listen to his apology. He's a liar. Do not listen to his apologies. Harrison is a criminal. Onyorikabu. Do not listen to it. He's a bandit. A criminal. Harrison is a born criminal. I am saying it and telling you the truth. He is a bandit. He brought new movement about kidnapping this, kidnapping that. Alpha markets. Harrison is a bandit. Onyorikabu. Onyori Harrison Onyori. Thank God on our eye don't they open. Verydarkman, no grill. No gree. Hold on. Aya, Otila. Shinga for you. This place is not meant for you. Aya. F off. Harrison Onyori. Thief. Onyori call. I don't need to ban them na block. Aya. Bye bye. Onyori is a criminal. See them. It's their gang. That's why they comment. Now their gang be this. Not them. Now them. Verydarkman, God bless you. I don't have much time now. I could have come be supporting you. Supporting you full time with my full chase. And then I stand with Harrison. And that's it. I stand with Harrison. How far markets? I can go stand with him now. Verydarkman, I love you, my brother. I stand with Harrison. I stand how far? I stand with Harrison. Dory. Harrison is a thief. Thief. And when I was screaming here, Monday, Harrison Gitagi Wuru Yahoo boy. Yeah, booze or trance and I get piano, so manage all your property. She give all of them knew what this guy was doing. On a market because on a pretend they don't know this. Or they call it safe. Or they call Bomonia Harrison many here for free. Or nye who be that? Thief! I was screaming, lamenting, screaming. Nobody heard me. Verydarkman, thank you. God bless you. Harrison, oh, you Odori. Verydarkman, God bless you. You will live long. Thank God yourself for you. Who are you to challenge Verydarkman? Go challenge him now. And come back with shame. Verydarkman, God bless you. Not gonna go challenge him now. After ranting on your page, you close your mouth. Now, Verydarkman, now him be all on a papa. All on a papa, all on a mama. VDM, carry go. You are the real deal. May God keep blessing you. Anybody that come to plan evil, may that evil consume them. Support Harrison and support Sister Oge. What are you looking for in that fiber? Oh, I'm looking for Egom Japugomita, my love. I just miss ship in here. Because before you put on a hand, you get tickets and I thought too much. Dory, not gonna go challenge Verydarkman. Verydarkman is not Ogechi. Verydarkman is not Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Verydarkman, please, somebody should tag Verydarkman on this video. Verydarkman, please tag him. Verydarkman, God bless you. You will live long and see your children. Please do not leave Harrison. He's a thief. Please, Verydarkman, investigate this. Many victims will come out. So I have a lot to say. If I will go and dig out my old videos. Hold on. I'm a moonu. Now on the way for. I tell you, start fine before. I don't need beauty. What did I use beauty to do? On a way fine. Where on a day? All of you are useless. All of you guys are useless. I don't need beauty. Oh yeah? Otilo, block you. Boya. Verydarkman, please. Please tag Yaram Verydarkman here. Verydarkman, please, my brother. You are doing a wonderful job. Please do not listen to all these hoodlums, all these ranters, all these thieves. All these thieves. Please keep doing your job. You are good. May God bless you. You see this Harrison case? I will go and dig out many videos. People that brought me evidence how he took their money back then, 2020, 2021. You know, how he duped people 2020, 2021, 2022. I have all those. Don't worry, Verydarkman. There is this man. I think he's your cousin. He's a human rights activist. If you like, I will give you the man information. The man have all the details of Harrison. People he scanned. I will call the man today. It's been a long time I've communicated with him. He knows this guy more than anybody. You will, Verydarkman, you will hear case and you will shiver. You will hear case, you will shiver. You will hear case, you will panic. This guy really tormented people in the name of your Yahoo boy. He took all their money, I swear with my life. I was screaming then. I did not have this upper hand the way you have upper hand in Nigeria. So your message do go global. My brother, do not leave this guy. This guy has finished our people. Please. Which one of them man? Let me block you. Oh yeah? I don't know why it's all about deleting this. Comment again. I think if I delete you once, if he comes back, I block you. Verydarkman, please, my brother. A lot of people have suffered. Many people couldn't come out. Many people couldn't say anything. Many people couldn't. Then I was screaming. Then I was screaming. People started fighting me because they have personal vendetta against me. They fought me. Nobody were able to hear my voice. Verydarkman, please. Hold Harrison so tight. Hold him on his blockers. Please. Hold him on his. Do not leave him. That apology is a crocodile tears. Verydarkman, please. Don't allow this guy. This guy is a manipulator. He's a deceiver. He's a liar. He's a thief. He took Adaji's money when Adaji's made. Even the Adaji's money that reached out to me. I said, Harrison, return the remaining money. Return the remaining money to Adaji's them. I started. Okay, I am not referring to you. Okay. I screamed. They gathered against me. They said because I'm a woman, the way I talk, that I should they feel so intimidated when a woman talk. Verydarkman, don't leave this guy, please. Forget about that is crocodile tears. I will go and search my old videos because that my phone that they were sending me information then is no longer with me. But some of the videos I made then, if Facebook did not remove it. Oh, you know, Facebook has started deleting live program. If Facebook didn't remove it, Verydarkman, you will be shocked. If you see evidence, you go. This guy is a correct onyori. Tell me what this guy has not done. He found that he had a kidney. People raised money. This guy, he lies upon lies. Even in his election, he took people. He collected people money. I was screaming. I was shouting. No, that man. Please don't leave this guy. Please. Hold him on his block also. And he's very wicked. This guy is very wicked, very manipulative. He threatens you with cultism. He threatens you with men. He threatens you with heaven. Please, Verydarkman, we are crying. Don't leave him. Hold him on his blockers. Very serious. Don't let him go. Please, Verydarkman. He's a thief. It's not all this. Verydarkman. Here's the plate number EF. This is how we buy $31379. Now, what I don't understand, why can't we use, must we use our card? Now, my coin, they use pay. The thing is not even allowing you to pay with coin. Okay, insert and remove card. Now, I thought I go pay. Let me pay another one. Okay. Next. Confirm payment. Okay, all done. Thank you. And first confirm payment. Mobile payments, thank you. Hold on, no. I need to put my evidence, so because I need evidence, so. Why they not they give anything now? Oh, Olo. Guys, can I go do